video, let us learn the concept of sets. Generally, for different collection of objects, we use different terms. For example, if we go to market, we'll see heap of vegetables, heap of grains, whereas in a parking lot, we see fleet of cars, and in a playground, team of players, and in wooden shops or in hardware shops, you can find bundle of sticks. So these are all the terms we use for different collection of objects. Adhe madri, we use sets as a term of collection of objects. Collection of objects na, adu endha mari collections. Ipo set of vowels, English alphabets eduthundonna A, E, I, O, U. இதெல்லாம் set of vowels. இப்போ another example, set of first 5 natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். Whereas இப்போ ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல set of tall students in this class, name of tall students அப்படின்னு கேட்டாக்க அங்க ஒரு confusion வரும். Who are all tall அப்படின்னு. அதனால அத கரெக்டா டிஃபைன் பண்ணாதான் அந்த நேம்ஸ் எழுத முடியும். So the question should be names of students who are all more than 5.5 feet அப்படின்னு நான் கொடுத்தேன்னா then the names can be written properly. So the object should be well defined. So what is the set now? Set is a collection of objects. The object should be well defined properly. So definition of set can be written as a set is well defined collection of objects. இதுதான் definition for sets. சரி, set எழுதுறதுக்கு certain rules. What are the rules? First, the collection should be enclosed by a flower bracket. So A, E, I, O, U. Collection of vowels எழுதினாக்க I have to enclose the elements by flower brackets or curly brackets, however you say. And the set should be named with a capital letter. It can be of any letter, but it should be named with a capital letter. Let us take A is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U. The collection of objects, the objects is generally called as elements in sets. So A is an element, E is an element, I is an element, O is an element, U is also an element. And the element should be separated by comma. First thing, we have to name the set with a capital letter. Second, the collection should be enclosed by flower brackets and the element should be separated by comma. And also, suppose if you have a set with repeated elements, it should be written once. So, an element should not be repeated in a set. So, B should be written as, this is not the right form. It should be written exactly 1, 2, 3. The element should not be repeated in the set. The next point is order of the element of a set is not important. For example, if we take some x is equal to 2, 3, 5, it can be written in any order. The elements are 2, 3 and 5. It can be written in any order. 3, 5, 2 or 5, 3, 2. However you write, these are all one and the same. So order of the elements of a set is not important. Next, let us take one example and learn the concept of elements. For example, let us take A is equal to even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. This is the statement. Now, for this we can write the elements as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are all the elements represented for this set. Okay. Number of elements in the set is 5. Total number of elements 5. So we can write n of A. N of A represents number of elements of the set A is equal to 5. This is also called cardinal number. Cardinal number of the set A, that is n of A is equal to 5. Okay. It's very clear. 2 is an element of A, 4 is an element of A, 6, 8 and so 10 also. So how can we represent an element of A? 2 is an element of A means we can represent by this symbol 2 belongs to A. We can read it as 2 belongs to A. This is nothing but 2 is an element of A. Clearly 3 is not an element. So we can write it as 3 does not belong to A. That is also written as 3 is not an element of A.